Hey, it's Jeff at Trev Dealey Motorcycles, and it's time for the part of the week. This week, I have here is a front axle nut cover. I'm going to show you the part here. And this is for your front axle. It's a nice little cover. They come in chrome, they come in black, and you can get some with designs on them. It's a nice little touch that you can put on your motorcycle. You can put it on yourself. It just cleans up the front end. One of the things why I really like this part is if you are doing a bunch of custom work, you're adding parts on it, the one thing that always pops out is when people don't do these. It's like they didn't finish. So it's a nice thing if you're doing a bunch of customization, you don't want to miss these. If you have a soft tail, you can get the covers for the rear axle as well. The touring ones, the saddlebags are going to cover, so it won't really matter as much. But it's just that thing that's going to finish off the look when you do your bike. Or even if too, you're someone that's more into just kind of a stock bike, you're not going to add too many parts. It's still a nice little finishing touch. It's cheap, easy to install yourself.